guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I make New York City based adventure videos spiked with love and positivity. Today, we're going to do something different. We will be leaving the city and going to Splish Splash Waterpark in Riverhead, Long Island. It's about a 1.5 hour to 2 hour drive to get there, but it's so worth it. I love going there at least once a summer. It's one of my favorite parks, the rides are great, and there's so much vegetation and trees and shade. So today I'll show you some of the rides and you'll hear me screaming. All right, let's get going.
After driving through Long Island, you'll be greeted by the massive 96-acre park. There are about 20 water slides, 2 wave pools, a children's area, and a lazy river. This is the entrance to Splish Splash Waterpark. Over to the left, your ticket will be scanned, and over to the right, if you haven't previously bought tickets or if you need to update your season pass card, then this is the place to do it. Maps can be found on their website and in various areas of the park. I'll leave their official website linked in the description box. You have to pay for parking and for lockers separately. No need to bring a lock though. Dinosaur Falls is an easy ride which you can do on a single or double float. The intensity is rated as moderate. A tip for those riding in a single raft: you may be spun around and at one point you'll find yourself going backwards. I wasn't able to catch what I saw when I was on this ride, but you can hear me screaming a lot in the background. On many of these rides, you'll be surrounded by tall trees, which provide you with a lot of shade. It's a welcome sight on a hot summer day. Mammoth River is one of my favorite rides. It's classified as a family ride because 4 adults can ride on a float at the same time. The intensity is listed as moderate. Depending on where you're sitting in the raft, you may go up on the sides of the large water slide, so make sure that you're holding on tightly. I'll show you small snippets of my experience on this water ride. It's over before you know it. Be aware that there may be long lines for most of these rides. You can buy a water pass for an additional $25, which will get you to the front of the line and thereby into your favorite rides faster. If you need to relax a little bit, these sun loungers are available in various areas of the park. After a fun morning of going on various water slides, you'll definitely get hungry and want to eat. You cannot bring your own food into the water park. There are plenty of dining options in the eating section, and right in front of it are tables where you can enjoy your meal. Options include cheeseburgers, hot dogs, salads, wraps, pizza, fried chicken, french fries, pulled pork sandwiches, popcorn chicken, and of course ice cream and funnel cakes for dessert. Alcoholic drinks are also available for purchase. These are the 2 newest rides at the park. One is an enclosed body slide tube. On the other, you go head first on a mat and race your way down to the finish line. Bootlegger's Run was closed on this particular day. Normally, it's a water slide and roller coaster put together in one, because there are areas where the water pushes you upwards before you go down again. The Hollywood Stunt Rider is an enclosed large tube, and you're completely in the dark. The raft is a large one that holds 4 adults. It would be a great addition if they took a picture of you mid-ride exactly when you're falling down. This is Alien Invasion. It's one of the most intense rides I've ever experienced. Initially, the tube goes down at a 45-degree angle before you are jetted out into a large funnel. What makes it fun is that 4 people can fit on the raft, and everyone is screaming at the top of their lungs. Hyperlight is another cool ride that you can do in a double raft through an enclosed tube made up of blue and green sections. It was previously called the Abyss. This is one of my favorite rides, but you may flip over upside down into the water when you get to the end if you make any sudden movements in the float near the end of the ride. This is one of the areas where the lazy river twists and turns. Over to the left side is Soak City, which is a pool that you can swim in anytime during the day. This is one of the 2 wave pools here at Splish Splash. This is what it looks like when the water is still. Once the horn blows, the wave maker turns on, and the pool becomes a seemingly endless cascade of waves. The giant twister is comprised of 3 open body slides. If you need a break from all the screaming you've been doing all day on the rides, then here's the lazy river. Although I can't guarantee that it'll be lazy the whole way through.
Lazy river's not so lazy after all, is it?
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I really hope you found it helpful and that you enjoy your upcoming trip to Splish Splash Waterpark. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live on Thursday evenings. In the meantime, let's keep in touch on Instagram at Miss Anna Adventures. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in next week's video. Take care. Bye.